Hey, what's going on everyone? Today's video I'm going to show you guys how to pair the BE36 True Wireless Earbuds to a Samsung phone using Android Pie. Now of course the BE36 looks like these, so if you were wondering if you're in the right video, you're in the right video, okay? They also come in white, so if you have the white colored version, you're still in the right video. Now pairing these are actually very simple. It's just a matter of simultaneously taking them out of the case. So what we're going to do is on our Samsung phone, we'll go to where it says settings here. And of course I have my dark theme on, so it's going to look different, but we'll go to settings and you'll go to where it says connections, and this is the same with every other Android phone that's using Android Pie. We'll go to Bluetooth and turn it on from here. Now once you do that, it's going to start searching for nearby capable Bluetooth devices. You'll see that there. And with the BE36, what we're going to do is take them out of the case together one time. There you go. You got to like slide them out like this and make sure they sync into each other. Automatically it will do that, but in order for them to sync into each other, you got to take them out together, and then one side goes into the host pairing mode. Now while it's doing that, by then your phone would stop scanning. You'll just have to select scan again and just wait for it to show up as BE36 under the Bluetooth settings. And of course it won't work the first time. Sometimes it will work right away and sometimes it wouldn't, but it will work. So we'll see BE36, tap on it one time. It's going to say pairing. You'll get that request. And there you go, you just okay that, and voila, connected. And it'll tell you the battery life. When you're fully connected, you'll notice the blue text, and that's that. So you're fully connected, good to go. Other than that, like, share, and sub. And if you're interested in purchasing one of these, links in the description, and thanks for watching.